Have you ever opened a report in Paul's dashboard and found the numbers didn't make sense? This often happens when using a report created by someone else. The culprit is usually filters, and once you know where to look, they're easy to fix. Remember that any changes you make to the report will only impact what you see. Let's look at how you can find and adjust filters so the report works for you. The fastest place to look for filters is at the bottom of the report. There you will see what has been added and the values selected. Another way to spot filters is to look at the column headings. If you see a funnel, a filter has been applied. When it's a single selection, like my quantity on hand value, it will be displayed below the column header. Notice that for the product category, I can only see the filter icon. This is because more than one value has been selected. Again, looking at the bottom of the report shows me the selected values, or I can click on the funnel to see and/or change them. To see if filters are causing your issue, start by unchecking the box next to the X on the left. This will temporarily turn off the filters. To remove the filters completely, click the X. It's also possible that someone used what we call report level filters. The best way to check is to look at the blue title bar. If the filter was given a name, you'll see it, but often people forget to name them, so you might just see the parentheses. Click the filter icon on the far right of the blue title bar to view the filters. I recommend changing the mode in the field name section to be Include All. That turns off the filter without losing the selections on the right. Want to get rid of them completely? Click the Reset button at the bottom. Now you know where to look to find and adjust filters in any report. Give it a try and check out our other videos for more ways to get the most out of your Pulse dashboard.